Investors are constantly seeking the next big thing, that diamond in the rough that will revolutionize industries and captivate consumers. But how do you make your idea shine amidst the sea of proposals? It's all about captivating the audience imagination and showing them the tremendous potential that lies within your concept. That's why SlideTeam brings you this professional and appealing idea proposal PPT presentation to showcase your unwavering commitment to making this idea a reality. Grab this actionable PowerPoint template to unveil your ingenious solution, igniting investors' curiosity and excitement. Even better, get up to 15% off with a click on the link in the description. To begin with, walk your audience through the intention of your ideal proposal. Use this content-ready cover letter and allow investors to envision the impact your product will have on the world. Help your audience visualize a service that caters to unmet needs with this ready-to-use PowerPoint slide. Highlight product strategy, competitive advantage, technical feasibility, and product profitability to make investors sit up and take notice. Take your idea proposal to the next level. Discuss market as well investment opportunity with your investors. Exhibit emerging trends, target customers, their problems, and funding goals by deploying this pre-designed PPT template. Download this content-ready idea proposal PowerPoint template to turn your idea into the next big success story. This content-ready PowerPoint presentation consists of a roadmap to help you showcase your product launch plan. Demonstrate product lifecycle, market map, and benefits to investors with this well-constructed PowerPoint template. This presentation template also comprises a budget allocation slide for investors. You can highlight how you plan to use the funds and bring your product to life. Walk your benefactor through your team, client testimonials, and work contract to finalize the deal. It is a comprehensive PowerPoint presentation to help you embark on a thrilling journey where innovation meets opportunity.